Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify accessibility in Figma using contrast and color checks step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Figma project. Select the frame or component you want to assess for accessibility. Ensure the design elements include colors that may need contrast evaluation. Navigate to the right panel in Figma. Locate the section where you can view color properties for your selected element. Note the foreground and background colors of your design. Copy the hex values of both colors. Open a web browser and search for a color contrast checker tool. Paste the foreground color hex code into the designated area. Next, paste the background color hex code into the corresponding section. Review the result provided by the contrast checker. Check if the contrast ratio meets the WCAG standards. For normal text, the minimum acceptable contrast ratio is 4.5 to 1. For large text, a ratio of at least 3 to 1 is sufficient. If your colors do not pass, consider adjusting their brightness or saturation. Return to your Figma project and modify the colors as needed. Repeat the contrast checking process to ensure compliance. Once satisfied, proceed to evaluate other elements in your design. Pay attention to buttons, icons, and any text elements. Document changes to ensure a clear revision history. Confirm all elements in your design adhere to accessibility guidelines. Finally, review your entire design for overall accessibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.